Hello my beautiful people out there, you're welcome to this wonderful channel today. If it's your first time of seeing this face, I want you to hit the subscription button and thumb up. Yeah, and I want you also to comment your view, what you think about this channel. And so my name is Ifeanyi David. I'm from Ebonyi State, born and brought up in Anambra State, in Biafran land. So I'm representing Biafra as a whole. Yeah, but I'm living inside Nigeria. You know about that. This channel is about creating videos about DIY, making technology videos, making innovative videos. That's what this channel is all about. So guys, I want you to support me. I want you to show your full support to me by subscribing, liking my videos, commenting your views, commenting whatever you thought about the channel, just to help me grow. I believe by the special grace of God, this channel is gonna be the most wonderful DIY channel worldwide, and it will be recognized, and that will not be achieved if not because of you. So I ask you guys to help me to grow this channel. I promise that I will be creating videos steady. I will be making constant video, so that you guys will be updating. Yeah, I'm a professional mechanical engineer, specialized in generators from 7,000 kVA down, and water pumps, any engine like that. So we do maintenance, we do servicing, and we do rebranding also. Yeah, guys, my favorite color is white. Anything like white, anything pure white, that's my favorite color. I love white so much. Well, my hobby is music, guys. I love music so much. I do perform drums, bass guitar, keyboard. Yeah, I love music so much, guys. Language, which is Biafran language. I speak Igbo language. I speak English. I speak Portuguese. My favorite food, guys. My favorite food is banga soup with rice, ofa rice ofa. I cannot joke with rice ofa. I can travel from here to even outside the world looking for where I will eat ofa. I so much love ofa, guys. No joke. So guys, when I'll be doing my video, I would like to put Portuguese language for the people that don't understand English. Like I have so many friends that don't understand English, that only speak Portuguese. So I would like to be adding Portuguese in some explanations for them to also understand what I'm doing. So I'll be mixing the both language together, English and Portuguese, English and Portuguese. I will try as much as possible so that everybody will understand what I'm doing here. Thank you so much, guys. I love you so much. I love you guys. Keep on supporting me. Subscribe, like this video, comment your opinion, and share this video to your friends. Thank you guys. I love you. Goodbye.